Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So we are back at CVS for another 2-week ad. This week is the start of a brand new 2-week ad that does cross over into the new year, but it still should be a 2-week ad, not a 1-week ad, because there's nothing like specifically for the New Year's holiday themed in the ad, so it should last us the entire regular period. There are quite a few good deals this week. We are supposed to be getting a $5 CRT on a bunch of different lotion items. And originally when I logged into my account this morning, I did not see that CRT, but then I logged out and re-logged back in and then I saw my CRT. So I'm going to do that across all my accounts because all my accounts on the first login, it wasn't there. And then it looks like on the second login, it was. It could be that CVS fixed the issue. I don't know. I was afraid this morning when I saw that it was gone on my account that they took it away if you didn't already clip it, because it is working on some items that are going to make them free, which I'll show you guys in the video if it's still working. But yes, they did. Looks like they did give it back to us. Let me know in the comment section if you do have that $5 CRT or if you do not have it, just so I can get a gauge on like what percentage of people got it and didn't get it. But it is advertised in the ad, so CVS should be obligated to make sure that they give everyone our $5 CRT. And I am going to show you guys a couple deals that you can do with it because it's super, super good and it works on a bunch of different brands. And then just on top of that, we have a really good spend 30, get 10 this week and a bunch of other smaller deals that have good high value digital coupons, a good sale, and a good extra book back. So with all that being said, you guys, let's get into the best deals of the week. Christmas clearance has hit 50% off. So right when I walked in the store, all the toys were marked to 50% off at the front of my store. And then also for Christmas clearance, the regular Christmas clearance, including all of the lights and all of the Christmas cards, wrapping paper, all the decor is 50% off at this point. Usually the first week of Christmas, it stays at 50% off. And then all the food at my store was ringing up for 30% off. And then usually the week 2, it hits 75% off. We'll see if it ends up hitting 90% off this year. Sometimes they do end up doing 90%, and sometimes they stop it at 75% and then send the rest back to the warehouse. But I will keep you updated in the upcoming weeks as to the further Christmas clearance markdowns. So like I mentioned, we got that $5 CRT on a bunch of different lotion brands that includes Nivea. So you can grab 2 of the cheaper $6.79 lotions. These are buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck. So 2 would total $13.58, and using that $5 CRT and a $2 manufacturer digital coupon, you'd be left to pay $6.58, earning back that $7 extra buck. And that would make 2 of them a 42-cent moneymaker, or you could just grab one. The $5 CRT and $2 digital would apply. Adjusting down, it would make one of them completely free. Another way that you can use that $5 CRT is on the Cetaphil cleansing bar at $5.49, and this is participating in the spend 30 get 10, so you could include this in your spend 30 get 10 transaction. And with that $5 CRT, it'd make the $5.49 bar just 49 cents. And there are a bunch of different brands that work with the $5 CRT, so if you like one of those brands, definitely pick up something that's included in the CRT list. If you like Aveeno facial care, we have a decent deal. They're buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck, and you can grab one of the face creams at $13.79. The $8.79 cleanser is not attaching to the $3 digital coupon, but the wipes at $9.59 are. So you can pick up one of the face creams and one of the wipes totaling $23.38. We have a $5 digital for the cream and then a $3 digital for the cleansing products. You'd be left to pay $15.38, earning back the $5 extra buck would make both items $10.38. So an okay deal. Unfortunately, we no longer have an Activate Rewards rebate. It ended on December 27th, but we'll look out for more better deals in the future. The Burt's Bees facial care is buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the masks. At my store, the cheapest ones are $3.59. 2 would total $7.18, and we do have a $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon. So using that, you'd pay $5.68, earning back that $4 extra buck would make 2 of these just $1.68. The Neutrogena cosmetic products are spend 12, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the cosmetic wipes, the 21 count makeup removers. They are $6.59 each, totaling $13.18, and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $10.18 and then earn back the $7 extra buck, making 2 packs of these wipes just $3.18. The larger Softsoap hand soaps are on sale for $2.49 and buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck. So 2 would total $4.98. You'd pay that, earn back the $2 extra buck, making 2 of these just $2.98 or just $1.49 each. There may be printables on softsoap.com as well. I'm not sure if those are scanning at this point inside CVS stores. Okay, next to get into our spend 30 get 10 laundry deal on P&G products. So first we're going to grab one of the Febreze plug warmers that are $9.99. My store was sold out, so I put the tag here. And then one of the Febreze the small spaces at $3.99 on sale, the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99, the Dawn Power Suds on sale for $5.99, and the small size Downy Unstoppables at $5.49. These 5 items would total $31.45, so no need for the 98% roll for this scenario. You can use a $5 digital for the Febreze warmer, a $2.50 coupon 24 app digital for the Febreze, a $2 CVS app digital for the Dawn Power Wash, and a $2 for the Suds, and then a $2 digital for the Downy Unstoppables. And you'd end up paying $17.95, earning back your $10 extra buck, making all 5 items just $7.95. And make sure you're always submitting your receipts with P&G products in them to pgbrandsaver.com. If you do submit receipts with 15 products on them, you'll have 750 points. You can redeem for a $5 OTC gift card payment for P&G products, and then that will take off $5 more and make it an even better deal. Next is spend 30 get 10 deal that does require the 98% rule. You can grab one of the Tide Liquid at $12.99, the Febreze Small Spaces at $3.99, the Dawn Power Wash at $5.99, or you could also grab the Power Suds at $5.99, and then one of the Downy Rinse and Refresh at $6.99. And these 4 items would total $29.96. We have a $3 digital for the Tide, the $2.50 coupon 24 app coupon for the Febreze, the $2 digital for the Dawn Power Wash or the Suds, and then a $2 coupon 24 app coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. And you'd be left to pay $20.46, earning back your $10 extra buck, and that would make all 4 items just $10.46 or cheaper if you use your PG Brand Saver $5 OTC gift card payment reward. Okay, we have a really good deal on Huggies wipes. The small packs are buy one, get one free, and so are the bigger packs. The cheapest bigger pack in my store is the Simply Clean at $10.79, buy one, get one free. So 2 of them would be $10.79. And we do have a $1 digital coupon off 1. So that would make your final cost just $9.79 for 6 individual packs, a really good deal. Okay, I normally do not put diaper deals in my CVS videos, but this one is way too good to not share with you guys, especially for donation items. The Huggies and pull-ups are 2 for $20 and spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck. So what you can do is grab one of the Huggies and one of the pull-ups totaling $20. We do have a $1 digital coupon for the Huggies and a $1 digital coupon for the pull-ups. So with those 2 digitals, you'd end up paying $18, earning back your $5 extra buck. And then you can submit to Shopkick. So Shopkick has an offer for 875 points back or kicks back, which is equivalent to $3.50 since 250 points is $1. 875 points would be $3.50 back on the Huggies, and then $3.40 back, it's 850 kicks on the pull-ups. So after the coupons, the $5 extra buck back, and the 2 different kick offers on the Huggies and the pull-ups, it would end up making your final cost just $6.10 for 2 packs, or like $3.05 each. And make sure you also submit your receipts with Huggies and pull-ups products on them into Fetch, because Fetch always has bonus point offers a lot of the times for Huggies and pull-ups. If you do not already have Fetch, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $2 bonus when you sign up through that link and submit your first receipt to Fetch. Really good deal on OGX hair care this week, like one of the best deals we've had in a long time. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So the cheapest ones at my store are $9.29. So 2 would total $13.93. Now we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, and my account has been getting this $1 OGX CRT every single week. It's not like a new account CRT, it's just a regular CRT that I've been getting. So if you have that, use both of those digitals and CRT, and you'd end up paying $6.93, earning back your $4 extra buck, and that would make 2 bottles of OGX just $2.93. The Crest toothpaste, along with the Oral-B toothbrushes and some of the Crest mouthwash, are on sale for $3.99, and they are buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck. So grabbing 3 would total $11.97, and we do have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that's working on all 3 types of products. So you'd be left to pay $6.97, earning back that $5 extra buck, and that would make all 3 oral care products just $1.97. Okay, next into a CRT deal. The more expensive Crest adult toothpaste, like the gum and the Brilliance, are on sale for $8.99 and buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can pair that with the Crest toothpaste deal for the cheaper ones, or the toothbrushes or the mouthwash. These 5 items would total $29.95, and you can use a 5 off 25 Crest CRT. That's the one that I got this week. We have a $4 digital for the Crest Brilliance toothpaste, a $4 digital for the gum toothpaste, and a 5 off 3 digital for the cheaper toothpaste. You'd be left to pay $11.95, and you'd earn back a total of $10 in extra bucks for the 2 different oral care deals, and that would make all 5 products just $1.95. We also have a mouthwash deal on the more expensive Crest mouthwash on sale for $8.99. Buy one, get back a $2 extra buck, and we have a $3 digital coupon. So you'd pay $5.99, and after the $2 extra buck, it would make one of these just $3.99. So another way that you can do the deal with the 5 off 25 CRT is these 3 items that total $26.97. With the 5 off 25 CRT, the $4 digital for the Brilliance toothpaste, the $4 digital for the gum toothpaste, and the $3 digital for the mouthwash, you'd end up paying $10.97, earning back $7 in extra bucks, would make the 3 products just $3.97. Okay, I really like this deal on popcorn. The larger bags of Well Market popcorn are on sale for $1.99, and we do have a $1 Ibotta rebate, making these just 99 cents. If you don't already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first Ibotta offer like this one on the popcorn. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each, so you can grab 2 of them totaling $3.98 and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $2.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. We have different rebates for all the different General Mills cereals, so you'd earn back $1 from there, making your final cost $1.98 for 2 boxes or just 99 cents each. Okay, today I did 4 transactions. The first one was the Nivea. So I used my $5 CRT and the $2 digital coupon. I did use some extra bucks I already had. I earned back the $7 extra bucks, and it made 2 of these a 42-cent moneymaker. And then I rolled the $7 extra buck into transaction 2. For transaction 2, I did the OGX deal. I used my $1 CRT, the $6 digital, and the $7 extra buck from transaction 1, earned back my $4 extra buck, and made this transaction a net cost of about $3. Then I rolled that $4 extra buck into the Softsoap transaction. Using that, I ended up paying about $1 out of pocket and then earned back my $2 extra buck. So spent out $5, earned back $2, made this transaction a net cost of about $3, and then I rolled the $2 extra buck into my last transaction. Finally, for today, I did the Well Market popcorn deal, so used my $2 extra buck and then earned back $1 from my Ibotta. So that made this transaction a net cost of just $1 for the popcorn. I really hope you guys enjoyed this CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment. It helps push up my video to more people, and I will catch you guys in next week's video for week 2 of the ad.